Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're diving into the latest update on Instagram and showing you how to forward GIFs from your chat on PC. This feature makes sharing fun and animated content with friends easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. You can do this by visiting the Instagram website and entering your credentials. Next, look for the messages icon located in the left menu. It resembles a paper airplane and is typically found near the bottom of the sidebar. Click on this icon to access your direct messages. Once you're in your messages, open the chat where you want to forward a GIF. Scroll through your conversations and select the one that contains the GIF you wish to share. Now, locate the GIF message you want to forward. Next to it, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to open a menu of options. In this menu, click on Forward. This will prompt you to choose the recipients for your forwarded GIF. You can select multiple friends or just one, whatever suits your needs. Finally, after selecting your recipients, click on Send. Your GIF will be shared instantly with those chosen contacts. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded a GIF from your chat on Instagram using your PC. This new update enhances communication by allowing you to share animated content effortlessly, making your conversations more lively and engaging. Thank you for joining this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Now go ahead and start sharing those fun GIFs with your friends on Instagram.